There was a time when technology like this only existed in movies. Officers accessing dangerous scenes, dispatching resources, and tracking suspects in seconds from the sky. But as threats change, the tools we use to fight crime evolve too. And today, a new technology is changing the way the Orlando Police Department responds to emergencies.
Now he's running. He's got eyes on the drone.
Meet OPD's drone as a first responder, or DFR program.
DFR's got eyes on a vehicle, northbound, Mellow Drive from Skeena Street.
DFR drones remain ready to launch from docking stations within seconds of certain 911 calls. No setup, no delay. Just real-time information when officers need it most. Already, our DFR drones have been used to track multiple stolen vehicles, like this one, taken during a home break-in. And this one, driven by a convicted felon who had fentanyl, meth, and a pistol inside the car.
Show me your hands, Orlando Police! Hands up!
DFR has also provided officers with critical information during drug operations, helping capture suspected dealers, even those who tried to run. And with the assistance of officers in our crime center, our DFR program has been used to locate suspects accused of violent crimes, like battery, aggravated assault, and even shootings. This is just the beginning of our DFR program. The goal? To improve OPD's emergency response, officer decision-making, and overall public safety outcomes for the people we serve. Stay tuned over the next week as we show you more about this new technology and all the ways it's helping officers better protect you in the city of Orlando.